Hello parents and hello kids, happy morning. Welcome to your drawing class. So this is the first class after the break, right? So in this class we're going to do two different drawings with shape circle and triangle. Okay, with these two shapes only we are going to do two drawings. So the first drawing is duck. One is the duck and the other one is mouse. Okay, so first we'll do with duck. So for drawing this duck, parents kindly draw and give them circles. So some 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 circles, 7 to 8 circles you can draw and give them in their drawing note likewise. Okay, so kids, now I'll tell the step one by one. You can follow and you can draw. Okay, so the first step will be the circle what you have drawn. In the second step what you're going to do is, this circle is there, no? So likewise circle you can take and then keep it here and then trace it out. Okay, parents can take a circular object, place it here, and then just, if kids can also practice it with pencil, you can just trace this outline of the circle. Okay, so this, after doing the second step what you have to do is, this circle is there, above this draw a small circle likewise. Okay, so draw a circle. Okay, this is the second step. Okay, next third step. So in the third step, first what you have to do, you are going to draw the second step first. So draw the circle above here and we are going to put the eyes. You have to put a small circle and shade it here, and here you are going to put a small circle inside also. So this is the third step. Okay, third step what you did, you kept a dot here and you shaded it, and inside the big circle one small circle we did. Okay, so next we are going to do the fourth step. Fourth step what we are going to do is, we are going to draw the legs for the duck. Okay, before that we have to do the before steps, right? So what you should do, draw a circle up likewise, then put eyes for the duck and shade it, and then inside one circle we have to draw likewise. Okay, next we are going to draw the back side only we are going to draw a triangle. How to draw a triangle? From here put a slanting line, and from here one more slanting line and join this. Okay, so here we got a triangle. Next we'll draw the legs for the duck. Same way, put a slanting line and sleeping line. Slanting line and sleeping line. So this is your fourth step. It is very easy, no? Here one triangle, and here one triangle. So one more time we'll draw this. This is your fifth step. So draw a circle above the big circle likewise. Then draw the eyes and shade it. Then inside draw one circle likewise. Then what we did, we drew the legs and tail, right? Okay, for the legs put a slanting line and join it. Slanting line and join it, triangle. Same way here. Slanting line and join it. See, we did this, right? So in your fifth step we are going to draw the beak for the duck. So for that also one triangle. From here put a slanting line, and from here one slanting line. That's it. Our duck is ready now. It is very easy, no? One last time we can draw it one more time. From here you have to put a circle up likewise, and then you have to put a small circle and shade it, and here put a circle, then down here we did a triangle, right? Yes, join it, then legs also join it likewise, and last we did the beak. Yes, see, we completed our duck drawing. So after completing it, your parents will draw and give you likewise. Then what you have to do, you should draw likewise in the other page, no? So in the other page you have to draw the same. So in the next page what I have done is, I have drawn it fully. So fully I have did it. See here. So this is the drawing of the duck. So it is not shown clearly. I'll just outline it. See, I'll just outline. So this is how you have to draw the duck. So what color we can give? What color? I'll go for orange and yellow. So I'll take orange color and yellow color. So using orange and yellow, I'm going to color my duck. So sleeping line wise only you should color. Every time I used to tell no, then only the color will not go out. You will color inside the border itself. So here also I am giving yellow only. First you have to outline the border neatly, and then inside slowly color my duck. So sleeping line wise only you should color. Every time I used to tell no, then only the color will not go out. You will color inside the border itself. So here also I am giving yellow only. First you have to outline the border neatly, and then inside slowly sleeping line wise color it. So there should be no white space should be seen. All should be colored properly. Okay. Then after coloring here, I am giving this orange color inside this duck, and for the tail here. Next for the legs, and for the beaks also we can give the same orange color. See how beautiful it is looking. Now we'll go for black color. So take black color and outline the duck neatly. See how beautiful it looks after outlining. Slowly you have to go and outline it. So if you're not having color, black color, you can go for sketch also. Sketch or marker. Yes. Beak and eyes. See how beautiful the duck is. So likewise you should follow each step and you have to complete this duck drawing. So now we completed the duck. Next we'll draw the mouse. It is also very easy. It is also a combination of triangle and circles. So parents kindly draw and give them triangle shape, like upward down you can draw 5 triangle shape likewise. So now I'm going to tell you the steps we have to follow and we are going to draw it. Okay. So the first step will be as such the triangle, upward down triangle. In the second step what we are going to do is we are going to draw two circles for the ears. Okay, for the mouse we are going to draw 2 circles. One circle in this end. Draw one circle, big circle you can draw. Next circle on the other side. Okay, the circle how you have to draw is this point should come in the middle. Okay, middle of the circle. Likewise you should aim and you have to draw the circle. So parents can guide them since they can't do by their own. So guide them to do these steps. Okay, we do the ears for the mouse. Okay, next step. This is the third step. Again draw the circle. Again draw the circle for the mouse. 1 circle and 2 circles. So the ears are ready now. Next we are going to draw the mustache and nose for the mouse. So for the nose from down here, draw one sleeping line. Okay, this became the nose and you can shade it inside. So coloring you have to do, I'm just showing with pencil. After shading from your mustache, 1, 2, 3. So 3 lines you have to draw. 1, 2 and 3. So this is the third step. Next we are going for fourth step. Okay, again fourth step, draw 2 circles for the ears. It is very easy to draw 2 circles. Then for the nose from down put a sleeping line and shade it. And we are going to draw the mustache. So these steps only we saw, right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. Next we need the eyes, right? So we are going to draw the eyes up here. Below the ears, draw 2 circles and shade it inside. Okay, 1 small circle and shade it inside. So our mouse is ready now. In the 5th step we'll draw all together. Draw 1 circle here. So in the 5th step we'll draw all the steps together. So what we have to do first, we're going to draw the circle. 1 circle, 2 circle, then draw the nose for the mouse. Okay, shade it And then mustache. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Then eyes. We have to draw the eyes and then small and shade it. Put a small circle and shade it. That's it. See how beautiful the mouse is. And on the next page, parents kindly draw and give them the mouse drawing likewise. By seeing this, the kids have to draw down and color it. So what color we can give for the mouse? So any light blue color we can take. And for the ears, we can give some light yellow or peach color. And black. Okay, so take this light violet color, and then for the face I'm giving this light violet only. You can choose your own color, which color you like, that color you can choose, and you can color your mouse. So this light purple violet I'm giving here. Then for the ears I'll give some other colors, and this neon color I'll take and I'll give for the ears. You can make your mouse colorful by giving your favorite and own choice. Okay, so ears I'm giving this neon, same way on the other side. Okay, on the other side also we can give the same color. It is very easy now, so you can go through the video thoroughly, and then if you follow the steps you can also draw it. Okay, then for the nose we can give black color. Black color we can give for the nose, and this mustache also black color. So with the same black we can outline the mouse. With black color crayon I'm outlining it. Ears and one more ear. Then for the eyes, draw a circle and inside small circle you have to do. So that's it. See, our mouse is also ready now. So today we saw two drawings, that is duck and mouse. So following the given step, you can, with your parents' help, you can also do this drawing neatly. Okay. So complete the work and enjoy it. We'll meet you next class. Bye bye. Thank you. Have a fantastic Friday.